Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the exact file you'll upload. Open your transcript and save it as PDF for reliability. Make sure the file name uses your last and first name so reviewers identify it quickly, and check the portal's size limit. If it's over 5 MB, compress to reduce quality minimally. Once done, log into the application site, navigate to Documents or Uploads, and click the visible Upload button to start the process. Don't skip checking file type requirements. You'll now select the prepared file and attach it to the correct document slot. Click Browse, find your renamed file, and open it. Make sure to select the precise document type, pick Unofficial Transcript, and add any metadata fields like term or year so the system indexes it properly. Watch the upload progress. If the progress bar stalls, cancel and retry, but if it completes to 100%, verify the preview thumbnail or file details appear in the portal before you continue. You finish by saving or hitting submit so the system registers your document. Make sure you see a confirmation message or timestamp. Then download the stored copy to confirm every page is readable and no margins are cut off, because reviewers will rely on that file. If something goes wrong, try the common fixes. Clear your browser cache, switch to a different browser, or reduce PDF dimensions and file size. If problems persist, contact support with the file name and error details for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.